How much noise does it take to break you? 1 hour. You stand next to the speakers. Your ears feel stuffed with heavy cotton. Voices sound like they are coming from underwater. You assume it will fade away. One day, the music stopped, but the sound didn't. A thin, high-pitched whine starts inside your head. It feels like a mosquito you can't swat. You try to sleep, but the room is too loud. 1 week. The pressure builds. Your head feels like an overinflated tire. You watch people's lips move, but the words are missing. It's like watching a movie on mute. 1 month. The sharp sounds vanish. No more birds. No more alarms. The world sounds muddy and thick. You realize you haven't heard your own footsteps in days. 1 year. The whine inside turns into a roar. It drowns out your own thoughts. You're trapped in a glass box. The signal is